So in this module we'll be import leads using the Excel sheet template. It is not necessary that we can get all the leads by just exchanging the cards or through the website, right? Or through the automation. Salespeople love to create the leads contacts into the Excel sheet, and they want to import the leads in a bulk. I'm showing you how we can import the leads. So this is the Excel sheet we have created. I'm just opening it, and I will show you how we can import the leads in a bulk. So this is the template I downloaded from the Dynamics 365 sales model. We need to add the topic, first name and last name. So others field like email, website, business phones, home phone, these are not mandatory. So if you have the information, it's well and good. We can add all this information here, and we can import the information in a sales model. So after adding the information, I'm just closing this and just moving to the Dynamics 365 sales. So we need to click here and we need to import the sales, right? So I'm just uncheck it. Okay, so yes, after uncheck the open leads, the menu is different, right? So just click on the import from Excel. After clicking on import on Excel, I need to choose a file which containing the information. I'm just clicking on the leads and click on the next. So it is showing the file size and also duplicate, means it is suppose some data is already available, right? So we can say that okay, we need to allow duplicate, yes or no. So I'm just keeping as a default no. And suppose you want to review the mapping also, right? So you just click on the review mapping and it will be show that the how these fields are mapped with the Excel column. So topic is mapped to the topic, last name is mapped to the last name, right? And suppose something is not matched with the Excel sheet template, so we can just click here and we can select the field, but everything is matched here. So you are able to see that the correct icon here. So I'm just saying that okay, finish import, and the job will be run in the background to import the file. We can track the process also. Just click on the track progress and just click on the OK. It will take some time to import the data. So this is the job I just added, right? So just click on the lead.xls and it will be show all the information, all the properties, size, right? And it will show the it's if some records are failed or success, right? Or partial failure. All the information about the job will be get that. So just wait for some time to import this file. You need to be refresh after some time to know that the file records are imported or not. At the bottom you will be get the result, that success, failures, totals. So let's wait for some time.